Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about molar mass and atomic mass. The first thing I will be talking about is the mole. So 1 mole of any element, 1 mole of any element is always 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23, as 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23 items particles, or you can call it atoms, molecules, or ions. Take for example 1 mole of carbon has 6.022 times 10 raised to the power 23 carbon atoms, or you can call it molecules or ions, still the same thing. So what if we have 1 mole of H2O? It's still the same thing. It also has 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 H2O. Let me use atoms as well, or molecules. Yeah, so that's all about mole. So now let's talk about atomic mass and molar mass. One mole, let me write it down. Atomic mass. Atomic mass and molar mass. Yes. So 1 mole, let's talk about aluminium, of aluminium is equal to 26.98 grams Al, which is equal to 6.022 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 23 Al atoms. Where did I get this from? I got this from the table. Let's bring out our table. This is the table we'll be using in our tutorials. So aluminium is having, let's check, where's Al? This Al. So we have 26.98 grams, because that's our atomic mass. So that's what we have here. Now let's talk about the molar mass. Like let's solve one example. Take for example water, H2O. If you are asked to find the molar mass of H2O, to find the molar mass of H2O, you will need the table. What you have to do is, hydrogen is, we have 2 hydrogen here, so you have to write 2 multiplied by hydrogen. Let's check our table again. Where's hydrogen? This hydrogen, we have 1.008. So you write 1.008 plus, we only have 1 oxygen here, So 1 multiplied by, what's oxygen on our table? Let's check. It's here. It's 16. Right, it's 16 here. So here we have to calculate this. We have 2. We have 2 multiplied by 1.008, which is 2.016. Or let me do it once. We have 2 multiplied by 1.008 plus 1 multiplied by 16, which is 18.016 gram per mole. So H2O is 18.016 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of H2O. Molar mass of H2O. So, whenever you want to find molar mass, we don't look at the number of. We don't look at the number at the top. We look at the number of. We look at the atomic number. We use the atomic number. We don't use this number at the top here. We always use the number underneath. So have that in mind. So another example. So we have to find the molar mass. We have to find the molar mass of SO2. We have sulfur and oxygen. To find this, we only have 1 sulfur here. So it will be 1 multiplied by, let's look at our table again for, let's look for sulfur. This is sulfur here, 32.07, 32.07 plus oxygen. We have 2 oxygens here. 2 multiplied by number of oxygen. We have 16. Atomic number of oxygen 16. So let's bring out our calculator again. We have 1 multiplied by 32.07 plus 2 times 16, which is the molar mass of SO2 is equal to 64.07 gram per mole. That is the molar mass of SO2. Let's solve one more example. And the example is, we asked to find the molar mass of C3H8. So to find this, we do the same thing. We have 3 multiplied by, let's look for carbon. The carbon should be here, 12.01, 12.01 plus hydrogen. We have 8 multiplied by, hydrogen is 1.008, 1.008. So let's bring out our calculator again. We have 3 multiplied by 12.01 plus 8 multiplied by 1.008. So our answer is 44.094. So the molar mass of this compound is 44.094 gram per mole. So what have I talked about so far? I talked about the mole, atomic mass, and molar mass. In the next video, I'll be solving more example on molar mass and atomic mass. Thank you guys for watching.